Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer electronics. Today, we've got something special for all you car audio enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of premium sound with the JBL GT0609C Premium 6.5-inch component speaker system.
Trust me, these are the best component speakers available in the market right now.
Feast your eyes on the JBL GT0609C, a game-changer in the world of car audio. These speakers are packed with features that will elevate your in-car listening experience to a whole new level. Let's dive in and explore what makes them so special. Here are some key features that set the JBL GT0609C apart from the competition. These cones are larger than others in their class, and that means they move more air, delivering deep, powerful bass that'll make your car shake. Equipped with oversized voice coils for heat dissipation and higher power handling, these tweeters ensure smooth and fatigue-free highs.
Whether you prefer flush or surface mounting, these component tweeters offer unparalleled flexibility in installation.
You can fine-tune your sound to perfection, compensating for less than ideal speaker placement and personalizing your listening experience. These 3 ohm speakers are designed to make the most of your car stereo's power, even with undersized wires often found in modern cars. But it's not just about the features, it's about the build quality too. The JBL GT0609C is engineered to last. With carbon composite, non-magnetic frames, these speakers maintain their integrity and precision even under demanding conditions.
Now, I know some of you might be wondering about compatibility.
These speakers are designed for use in the US, so if you're watching from abroad, please check compatibility before purchasing. And wait, there's more. JBL offers package deals with accessories like speaker baffles and adapters to make your installation process a breeze. It's all about giving you the best value for your money. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what customers have to say about the JBL GT0609C.
Customers are raving about the exceptional sound quality, clarity, and the impressive bass response.
These speakers are making cars bump like never before.
Now, you might be wondering about the price.
These JBL GT0609C speakers come in at a very competitive price point of $99.95. And trust me, for the performance you get, it's an absolute steal. And if you want to explore more options, Amazon has related products like amplifiers and other JBL speaker models to complement your setup. So there you have it, folks. The JBL GT0609C Premium 6.5-inch component speaker system. The best choice for car audio enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best.
If you're ready to elevate your in-car listening experience to a whole new level,
click the link in the description below to get your hands on these incredible speakers. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more in-depth product reviews, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy listening, and remember, good sound makes all the difference.